Hello guys, we are riding
In tandem.
Bolt here in Lithuania, going to Maxima Mall.
You will buy
So,
pork. And
We are here in the very nice place.
Oh, really?
Alright.
Really?
Together with Mr. Dan Punayo
Wow!
and then Mr.
Junel!
Marlon
Marlo!
and I, and then
Thank you.
Mr. Junil, and then Junil, and then my great driver, so handsome.
No, my friend. Damn!
Punta ako sa bangko ngayon eh.
Labas! Hello! Punta kang bangko, sinama mo kami kasi wala kang kasama.
Oh.
Sinama ko itong mga kasama ko kasi wala kasama. Dito sa akin yan.
Diyan mo.
May sasakyan ka to.
Oo,
Bumili.
Nag-book siya ng taxi.
nag-book ako.